Today, you can stop struggling, start aligning, and regain control of your attention if you follow these simple steps clearly. Okay, so let's get real about our focus today. Most people struggle with focus and immediately blame themselves, just like we discussed in the previous video. I told you um, how focus is not just a problem, but your system is trying to call your attention to something. So focus isn't about forcing attention, it's about creating the condition for it to thrive. Okay, so that is what we are unpacking today. Practical real way to rebuild focus to actually make it work. All right, second step is to list everything you're juggling: the task, the project, responsibility. Identify what is urgent versus what is important. Drop or delegate what doesn't truly matter. So set limit on social media and notification. Start with a 30-60 minutes less per day. So choose one meaningful task for each day and let the rest wait. Your brain focuses better when it knows you are not trying to carry 10 things at once. The second step is close open loops. Open loops are the invisible energy drains. Okay, so a conversation you didn't finish, a decision you keep avoiding, a truth you're avoiding, a task half started, your mind keeps coming back to them unconsciously. So these are practical ways to close the loop. Write down every pending task or thought. Decide on the next action for each of them. Don't leave it vague. Okay, schedule it if you can, delegate it if you can, release it if you can't do anything about it. So use your brain dump notebook nightly to clear mental clusters before bed. Do this every day. Every closed loop frees your mental bandwidth, making focus easier and a bit lighter. So step 3 is reconnect with meaning. Okay, focus collapses when your heart is not invested in what you're doing right now. So question to ask yourself is this: why am I doing this? What is the value yet for me, not anyone else? Does this align with who I want to be? So these are practical ways to reconnect in that manner. Identify 3 why statements for your work or task. Pair tasks with small rewards that remind you of your progress. So journal briefly before work. How will completing this move make me closer to my goals? So focus naturally. It grows when your action reflects your deeper priorities. The first step is to create focus or focus window, not just focus days. Trying to be focused all day is unrealistic. Instead, create structured focus windows. Let's say 25 to 50 minutes of deep work, then 5 to 10 minutes of intentional break. One priority per session. Practice ways to implement this. Use the Pomodoro method. This technique works for me. It was created in the late 1980s by Francisco Crillo, an Italian university student. The technique is a time management method that is designed to boost focus and productivity. So it works like this. You choose a task you want to work on. You set a timer for 25 minutes or thereabouts. Work on that task until the timer goes off. Make sure there is no distraction, nothing to distract you. Okay, take a short break, usually 5 minutes, then repeat it. After completing 4 pomodoros, take a long break, 15 to 30 minutes. It works like this. When you choose a task you want to work on, keep the distraction away. Phone on silent, app closed, notification off. Start with small wins. Okay, finish one task fully before you move to the next one. Gradually extend focus window as your brain adjusts. So consistency beats intensity. Remember that. And small win rebuild confidence, and confidence strengthens your focus. The fifth step is to rest without escape. Not all rest restores focus. Scrolling endlessly on your phone or your laptop is escape, not rest, not actually a restoring rest. So take short meditative breaks, even if it is 2 to 5 minutes of quiet breath work, movement break, like a walk, stretching, or a light exercise to recharge. Reflection break. Review what worked and what didn't work during the day. So at night, have something I call intentional sleep routine. Make sure no late night screen. Keep your mind as quiet as possible. Then restoration, connect to yourself, and focus will flow naturally from there. The sixth step is to build habits that support focus. Remember, focus isn't just mental; it's actually also behavioral. So practice habit building Make sure you batch similar tasks together to reduce context switching, and use environmental clues like clean workspace, minimal noise. Start the day with your most important task. Very important. Don't wait for motivation. Celebrate completion, not just effort. So rewarding completion signals your brain to repeat the focus. These small consistent habits compound into reliable focus over the time. All right. So which step resonates most with you? Which step are you likely to start doing now? Are you overwhelmed? Avoiding something lacking meaning? If this is helping you to see where focus is slipping, please, if you are yet to subscribe, subscribe to Beauty for Ashes. Like this video, we'll break it down. We'll break down things here in such a way that it will be easy for you to run with it without blaming yourself. So focus doesn't return by forcing it through. Okay, it comes through clarity, alignment, and restoration. When your inner world settles, then tasks complete more naturally. Decision feels lighter. Energy flows instead of draining. Then stillness precedes action. Note this: alignment always precedes results. Your brain isn't broken, my brother. You're just in the season of recalibration. Okay. So rebuilding focus is not about harder discipline, it's about creating conditions for your attention to thrive. So simplify, close the loops, align with meaning, build supportive habits, then rest intentionally. Like this video and subscribe to Beauty for Ashes if you have not. So we'll be talking about more strategies that will help you to work out everything you need to work out and see your life taking the shape you really want it to take. Okay. So thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.